Hi, I'm John Vance, President and founder of Vance Wealth. We'd like to begin just to say that from everyone here at Vance Wealth, our hearts go out to all the families that were affected by the absolutely horrific wildfires here in Los Angeles. The devastation to so many people's homes and businesses has been completely unprecedented. Far too many of our clients and friends and even our own employees have faced losses these past few days. Not enough can be said about the brave men and women that are our first responders. We hope to do our part by providing resources to our clients as well as those impacted by the fires. So I wanted to provide an update on some of the IRS tax relief to LA County residents. We're going to have resources that are going to be linked, but I just want to highlight some of the main areas that you should be aware of. The IRS has announced that individuals and households that reside or have businesses in LA County qualify for tax relief due to these fires. Basically, what they're allowing taxpayers to do is to delay any tax payment through October 15th of 2025. So that means tax payments that are due throughout the year, starting effectively with the January 15th deadline. Here is a list of all of the different types of tax payments that you essentially don't have to make that are delayed. So your traditional tax payments that would be due at the time of filing on April 15th, contributions to IRAs and health savings accounts that have an April 15th deadline. Those have been extended now to this new date. You also have estimated tax payments that are due January 15th for this past year, as well as a series of estimates throughout the year. So those have all been delayed and pushed back. And then based on the type, if you're a business owner, partnership or S Corp returns have been delayed as well. So you can see from this list, it's fairly comprehensive. And so there's a lot of relief, which basically allows people who are affected by this to not have to get all their tax records together and file on time. So this is going to be a really important benefit for many LA County residents. So one of the things that's really important to know is nothing needs to be done if you have an address located in LA County. So you don't need to call to get the relief. It's just automatically extended. There are some special circumstances where if you have, let's say your taxpayer that's in the affected areas, you can also get relief, but you have to actually call to the IRS. And so you can see the number here at the bottom of the screen. You let them know that you need relief, and then they'll let you know if you qualify. So here at Vance Wealth, we've recognized that there are two key action items that really all taxpayers should take. Number one, we do think you should hold on to your tax money, because if you hold on to the money that should go to the IRS or the state of California, you can earn an interest on that payment. But we do encourage you to set up a separate bank or investment account and invest in things like money markets, CDs, T-bills. Our recommendation is do not take any investment risk, because this money is not yours, it's the government's. It's the tax money that you owe. So we do recommend, again, putting it in a separate account, because what we don't want to have happen is people delay these payments. They get to October when the money is due and they don't have that money set aside. So truly treat this money as not yours. And again, the benefit of this is, especially if you get it into something that's yielding more than a traditional bank, something like a money market or a T-bill, we can get a decent amount of interest rate on that cash that was normally going to be paid to the IRS or the Franchise Tax Board. The other advice, point number two, continue with your tax preparation. Do not delay until the new tax deadlines. We know that CPA firms are going to be very backed up if everybody delays till the end of the year. So we do think it's really critical to continue to act in a normal fashion as long as you can, but with the help of your financial advisor, with the help of your tax professional, and getting all the documents together. Fortunately, a lot of data now is electronic, so it would allow you to have access to that and sharing that with your team and uploading documents. And so we really think it's important that you don't wait. What we would really encourage is you don't need to file the taxes. And in fact, I think that if you're trying to delay payments, you should hold on to the filing status, but get your taxes to a draft status. Get it ready to submit, meaning you get all the data in there, your accountant does all the work, and it's ready to submit, and then hold on to it until you get closer to the deadline so that you can maximize the interest on any of those tax payments. Now, with all this being said, we are not a tax preparation firm. So it's really important that you run these strategies by your accountant and make sure they comply with the advice that they're going to provide to you. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this information was helpful. Here at Vance Wealth, we truly try to make an impact on our clients' lives. And if you're an existing client, chances are we're going to be meeting with you for your annual strategy meeting in the next couple months, so probably between now through May. If there's anything urgent, anything you need to move to the top of the line, please reach out to us so that we can help you immediately. If you're not a client of Vance Wealth, but you're interested in a complimentary consultation, please visit our website or scan this QR code, and we'll schedule time to meet. Thank you very much.